Hi Charlie. I'm Fernando.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Welcome to Rio. Let me show you my flat. Here is the living room.
It's nice.
Come with me. Here is the kitchen.
It's very clean.
Here is the bathroom. And here is your bedroom.
It is really nice. Do you like living in Rio?
Yes, I do. And you're from Chicago, right?
Yes, I'm from the US.
You're gonna enjoy your time in Rio.
I'm sure I will. Are there any good coffee shops around here?
Yes, there are.
I want to eat this famous pão de queijo.
There is a good coffee shop just next corner.
Are there any supermarkets?
No, there aren't. But there's an express market, 2 minutes walking.
Good. Is there a bank?
No, there isn't. But there's an ATM in the express market.
Are there any pharmacies?
Yes, there is one next to the market.
How do I get to Copacabana?
Well, there aren't any train stations. But there is a bus station. Bus 524 will take you directly.
Good. Are there any churrascarias near here?
No, there aren't. But there is a good restaurant near the beach.
That's good. Are there any phone shops around here?
Yes, there are some.
I'm gonna sleep now.
Get some rest.
Good night, Fernando.
Good night, Charlie.
Wait, one question. What's the Wi-Fi password? There are a lot of people at the beach.
There isn't. And there aren't. There isn't. Singular negative. There aren't. Plural negative. Is there? Singular interrogative. Are there? Plural interrogative. There isn't. Singular negative. There isn't a bank near here. Is there? Singular interrogative. Is there a bank? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. There aren't. Plural negative. There aren't any shops around here. Are there? Plural interrogative. Are there any shops? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. any, for plural negatives, and questions. There aren't any beaches around here. Are there any good restaurants here? There's an expensive market. There's an expensive market. There are some old buildings. There are some old buildings. There isn't an airport. There isn't an airport. There aren't any museums. There aren't any museums. Is there a post office? Is there a post office?